you're going to IHOP, just make a dash for it. If you grab the rain gear, you do. If you don't, you don't. Right now, we are dealing with some wet weather out there, but definitely for a good cause, you need to be out there and about. As we go through the rest of today, we will get some dry time in here as well. So you can see back here across Ohio Valley there, some dry spots. So we will have some dry time today, but then we will have this nice sliver of rain move through as we go through the overnight into tomorrow morning. So more rain will be on the way. As we go through this morning, though, this is what we're talking about. Grab the rain gear before you head out and about, as we still do have some light rain coming in from Carroll County, Howard County, all the way over towards really Cecil County at this point. And this rain will continue to slice on off towards the east. So by, say, 9 o'clock, we are going to be dealing with some wet weather across the eastern shore, possibly maybe even before then. At the surface, there's the big system that will continue to make its move. That cold front will make its move in here. And this is where we've been dealing with the severe weather. Ashley Christian just did a story about those tornadoes, and this will continue to work in our direction. The south today, they're going to be dealing with the potential for some severe weather. For us, we won't be in the severe weather. High pressure will continue to stay off towards the east and the south, and it's just going to pump in more of the heat as we go through the day, meaning that we're going to be more on the mild side of things, temperatures above average. Futurecast winds, they're there. Once again, the gusts will be up to about 25, 30 miles an hour for today, and then we'll do it all over again as we head towards tomorrow. So still talking about windy conditions. We've been talking about that for a while, at least for about a month or two at this point. We've had windy conditions at least once or twice a week. So this is definitely going to be the scenario for today and tomorrow. Temperatures this morning above average. We're looking at numbers in the mid 40s, upper 40s in some spots. It's 44 degrees in Chestertown and Centerville this morning. Cecilton, you're at 43. Northeast coming in at 41. Elk Ridge and Lithicum both coming in at 44. So check this out. We have to watch the weekend, guys, because we are going to be talking about the possibility for snow. So we will have that colder air moving right back in. So winter is not over quite yet. And then we do have a system. Now, the bottom line is whether this system, whether the cold air meets this system that's going to be coming in here from the south and west. So that's still to be determined. So you're definitely going to want to keep it updated here. But this is the third warmest winter on record between December and February. And once that has happened, we're always watching that we get our warmest winters, and with that we do experience snow in March, so that potential is there. Now, ABC2's most accurate futurecast picks up on the rain this morning, picks up on another batch as we go through the overnight early tomorrow morning, and this is what we'll work with as we continue through the rest of today. High temperature coming in mid to upper 60s. Now,